दोस्तों, so today we are starting for the practice set 7.1 limit to and now standard 11. So first one question number 1, evaluate the following limits. So first one, let's see the formula. This one is very important, the formula. Now limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n and upon x minus a is equal to n of a raised to n minus 1, then close the bracket 4, n belongs to integers. So this one is formulas is very important in this practice set. Now start for the practice set. So now first one question, limit x tends to 3 bracket under root of x plus 6 and upon x. Let's see how to solve. So now first one solution, limit x tends to 3 and close the bracket under root of x plus 6 and upon x. Now is equal to limit x tends to 3 under root of x plus 6 and upon limit x tends to 3 and now x, right? So x get apply that 3 is equal to under root of 3 plus 6 and upon 3. So under root of 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 and upon 3. What is the square root of 9? Is equal to 3, then upon 3, so is equal to 1. So limit x tends to 3 and bracket under root of x plus 6 and upon x is equal to 1. This is the answer. Now second one question. Now second one, limit x tends to 2 and close the bracket x minus 3 minus 2 and power of minus 3 x minus 2, then close the bracket. So first one, let's see. So now second one. So इसके बेसिस पर हमने फॉर्मूलेस देखे थे. फॉर्मूलेस क्या थे हमारे? सिंस लिमिट x टेंड्स टू a, then x raised to n minus a raised to n and upon x minus a and is equal to n a raised to n minus 1. तो हम ये फॉर्मूलेज अप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस वन इज x raised to n minus a raised to n and upon x minus a. So what is the formula? n a power of n minus 1. What is the n power? What is the power? 3. Don't use of the operator, okay? Operator is okay, minus 3, yes, minus 3. Then after multiplication and now 2, then after n minus 3 and minus 1, minus 3 and minus 1. So is equal to minus 3 and multiplication 2 and power of minus minus plus 3 plus 1 4 minus 4, right? So minus 3 and now multiply. This is a formula of the a raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. So ये formulas apply करेंगे हम. So 1 upon 2 raised to 4, right? Now minus 3, 2 get multiplied 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So minus 3 then upon 16. This is your final answer. Now limit x tends to 2 and open it bracket x minus 3 minus 2 power of minus 3 and x minus 2 and close the bracket. This is the answer of the minus 3 upon 16. So next question, let's see on the next video. जय हिंद दोस्तों.